Welcome to springtime in North Versailles. It's the 27th of March. Look at all the white on the ground. It's snow. It snowed last night. It's going to snow all day. Possibly might snow tomorrow. I'll spin you around and show you this magical outcome.
That is icy, slushy
mess. Right there, I planted radishes 3 or 4 days ago. I want to open that hoop so bad, but I don't want to open that hoop because, well, I want to keep going what's going in there. This is Noah. This is at Noah's house. Welcome to spring. See ya.